In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create affiliate marketing links on products in Shopify. We'll walk through the whole process using an app called UpPromote, starting right from your Shopify admin. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. At the top of the page, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar, then in the drop-down that appears, choose Apps. In the search field, type UpPromote and press Enter on your keyboard. When you see the UpPromote app in the results, click it, then install it and follow the on-screen installation prompts until the app is fully added to your store. Once UpPromote is installed, you'll be taken through an onboarding process. You'll first be asked whether you already have affiliates or you're starting from scratch. For this tutorial, choose the option that says you don't have any affiliates yet, then click the button to recruit affiliates. Next, enter your brand name and select your main industry from the list. When you're done, click Save and Next. Now you'll set up your commission structure. Choose whether you want to pay a percentage of each sale, a flat rate per order, or a flat rate per item sold. Enter the amount that fits your strategy. You can also decide whether you want to provide an affiliate coupon, which can be a great way to track sales and incentivize partners. Once everything looks good, click Save and Next. For page design, you can customize how your affiliate registration page looks. Upload an image for your sidebar, then choose your background color and text color so they match your brand. This helps make your affiliate program feel consistent with your store. Next is the registration form. Here you can decide what extra information you want to collect from your affiliates. You might check boxes to ask for their promotional channels, such as Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, their country, and their phone number. As you make changes, preview the form on the side to see exactly what your affiliates will experience. When you're happy with it, click Save and Finish. Now, head to your online store editor in Shopify. In the left panel, click on App Embeds. Find UpPromote Essentials, toggle it on, and then click Save. This makes sure the app can display elements on your storefront when needed. Go back into UpPromote, and on the left-hand panel, click Affiliates, then click Add Affiliate. Here, decide whether you want the new affiliate to receive an email notification when they're added. Select which affiliate program they should join, then enter their name, email, and a password. You can let the system generate a password or set a default one yourself. When everything is filled in, click Save to create the affiliate account. To let potential affiliates sign up on their own, go to your program list inside UpPromote. Hover over the name of your program and click the copy link icon. This gives you your public sign-up link. You can send this link directly to influencers, share it via email, or add it to a page on your website so more people can discover and join your affiliate program.